So, gusto mo bang malaman how I'm ranking my videos the #1 spot on YouTube search? Do you wanna know kung paano ko ginagamit yung powerful tool na Vidiq?
This is your channel.
Patrick from your channel. And in this channel, you will learn YouTube tips, weekly live streams, and YouTube finance. So if you are interested with that, please consider subscribing. Click the subscribe button and yung bell, select all para ikaw yung unang makaalam pag mag-upload tayo ng mga full videos sa YouTube journey mo. So huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's start this quick tutorial on Vidiq. Let's go!
And the first thing we need you to do, I need you to download this web browser called Vidiq. Just go to vidiq.com and then download the web browser extension. It's a free tool, no, so you don't need to worry about anything. So go to your YouTube studio and I will show you how to use this powerful tool in ranking your videos. Yeah, go to your videos, and then one example that I will tell you is this one, audience retention. This video of mine called audience retention. In all of my videos, I try to rank them as much as possible. Pero the reason why ngayon ko palang shinare sa ito is I want you to focus on your content. Go to edit video. Yan, go to edit video, and for today's lesson, this would be our example. This video of mine is called Audience Retention, Paano Mapataas YouTube Watch Time 3 Tips. And then I would share you everything that you need to know from thumbnails, from title, description, and then the tags that you will use. Ayan, no? And again, Vidiq is really a very powerful tool. So yeah, basically, ito, pag inad mo yung Vidiq extension tool, ito yon. Magkakaroon ka ng parang separate tab dun sa YouTube mo, and this would be your checklist kung paano i-rank yung mga videos mo. Para siyang checklist nga. Yan. So as of now, ayon sa Vidiq, yung score ng video ko is 72.5. Tapos sa checklist naman is 8 out of 9. So as much as possible mataas, pero don't take it na yun nga, it takes too much time for you. Ako, ginagawa ko is mga half day yung nilalaan ko para gawin. If you are learning, please click the like button. Tapos, pakishare mo to sa isa mong friend para makatulungan mo rin sila sa YouTube channel nila. So, ang importante dito is una, tag count, tag volume, keywords in the title, keywords in description, and tripled keywords. Tapos, makikita mo rin dito kung ilan yung nagra-rank sa tags mo. Sa video ko na to, ayan, makikita mo na pag may nakita kang number na ganyan, meaning yan nagra-rank. So, meaning sa topic na to, audience retention, paano mapataas, I am ranking number 1. Dito rin sa paano mapataas ang watch time, I am ranking number 2. Sa Patrick Miguel, I am ranking number 5. Mapataas ang audience retention, I am ranking number 12. And lastly, I am ranking number 1 sa audience retention, paano mapataas. So you would see na this is what I'll be teaching you is really helpful, no? It would be really effective. So the reason why I'm sharing this to you is I really believe that you are really dedicated on your YouTube journey. If you have a particular question about ranking your videos, feel free to comment them down below para magawa natin ng follow-up video. We want to know your questions. We want to answer them. Now, to get more views and more subscribers, click the video appearing on your screen right now. Do that and your YouTube success is on its way.